Hi guys, in today's video I have another review for you, and this time we're going to talk about the Melted Chrome Eyeshadows by Essence. And for today's video I prepared something new. I wanted to introduce you to a new format and way of how I'm going to do this video, and I hope that you enjoy it, as I also will demonstrate you how it will look on the eye. Now, my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a makeup artist, so let's get started. Now, the Melted Chrome Eyeshadows by Essence are available in 6 different shades, and one shadow will cost you $5. And this is the first one that I've picked. This is the 01 Zinc About You. Then I also have the 02, which is Ironic. It's more like a brownish champagne shade. Then I also, for my last shade, I've picked 06 Copper Me, which is a beautiful copper reddish tone. Now, I've also have them on my fingers so that you will can see what they look like, and as the light reflects it is beautiful. It is stunning how reflective they are, plus also showing off the color. So sometimes with shimmers or with metallics, depending on what type of shimmer they have in it, they won't reflect the color, but it's just white or just like a pearly shimmer where you won't see the color anymore. But with those ones, they are beautiful. And if you're going over with your finger over the eyeshadow itself, it is so creamy and buttery, and if you're going to press it too harsh, then it also can have a little curve in it. This is how soft they are, and it's so easy to apply. You can apply them with your fingers, with your brushes. The easiest way, I personally believe, is still the fingers, as this is also the way how you can apply it the quickest. Now, I'm also going to show you one of the shades, how it applies on the bare eyelid as well, so that you will see how it performs, and then I'm going to move on to my new format that I've prepared for this video. So let's get into the application. Now I'm going to show you how you can apply a 01 Zinc About You on my bare eyelids, as it also matches with my blouse for the moment, and I'm going to use it with my finger at first. So I'm going to dig into it, and it just gives you the beautiful reflection. And I'm going to apply it on the bare lid so that you will see how pigmented it is. So you can start off by pressing it onto the lid area, and then you can swipe it from the left to the right. Now, I also would recommend that if you are going to apply it with your fingers, or you wish you are going to apply it with your fingers, that you're going to not have long nails, because then I still would recommend using a brush later on. As for example, with my nails, I can't reach the inner corner, which is a bit annoying. But if you don't have any nails, you can reach the inner corner. And then you can also use your finger to blend it so that you won't have any harsh edges or harsh lines. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to use a little brush. I have some product on it, and I'm going to focus it on the inner corner where I can't reach it, and blend the edges just a tiny bit. Because this is also the way how you can create a beautiful shimmer look on its own with just this shadow on its own. And as you can see, it is beautiful, reflective. It blended in so nicely. There are no harsh edges. It's not like that you have pieces of bits where the metallic and also the glitter gets caught on one place. I also used some concealer underneath, where I used some powder on top to settle it so that I have an even base. And this is what it will look like on its own. So I just personally find that they are gorgeous. You can use them on its own, you can combine them with other eyeshadows, so just feel free also to wear them as they are. And now we can also move on to the new format that I prepared for you guys. This is the shade 01 Zinc About You, and it's a beautiful light purplish pinkish shimmer, and this is also what it looks like on its own. Now, this is a picture that I took in natural lighting so that you will see what it will look like in real life as well. This is still the same shade, but this time I've added a little bit of a purple shadow to the crease and outer corner to show you also the combination. And here it is what it will look like also in natural lighting if you're going to combine it with a matte shadow as well. This is the shade 06 Copper Me, and it's a beautiful red tone or coppery shadow, but this one is a little bit more intense than a shimmery. And here's also what it will look like in natural lighting, and as you can see, the red color is intense. Now with this one, I also added a little bit of a matte red tone into the crease and outer corner to show you how you can combine a beautiful eye makeup as well. And this is what it will look like in natural lighting, so that you also can combine matte and shimmer together. Now this is the last shade, and it's 02 Ironic. And this is more like a champagne brownish tone, which you can also wear on a daily basis. and this is also what it will look like in natural lighting on its own. Now here you can see it in combination with a matte brown tone, which is also beautiful if you want to turn it into an evening or night out look, and this is also what it will look like in natural lighting, and the combination of those two shadows are amazing. So now that we have a little bit of a change when it comes to the eye makeup, lips and outfit, I just hope that you enjoyed the different formatting style and also presentation that I've done when it comes to the like eyeshadows itself, just because I wanted to give you the best of the best quality when I'm showing you a product. And I also would appreciate if you could drop me feedback down below if you like that kind of style or if you would wish something else, as I just wanted to make sure that you will get the most out of this review and also a little tutorial on how it will look on your eye as well. Now, the reason why I wanted to include natural lights as well is because in front of a ring light everything can look a little bit different, as the light is a little bit cooler than if you are in the sun. And this is also why I included a picture for you guys as well, so that you will see what it will look like if you're going to apply it as well. Now, with that being said, I hope that you enjoy this video, this review, and if you would ask me if I would recommend it for you guys, I definitely would say yes, go and grab all 6 of them because they're so gorgeous and you can get them for $5 each. And I'm definitely going to get the other 3 as well so that I have the collection together, as they are gorgeous. You can play around with them for day makeup looks, night makeup looks, just have fun with them and enjoy the sparkle. And with that being said, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. This is also what I wanted to show you. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!